Here at Institute on the Constitution, our mission is to restore the constitutional republic through grassroots education. That means we need you, our members, to help us accomplish this mission. When you become a member, you receive all of our courses and extra materials in an online portal for a tax-deductible membership donation of your choice, starting at only $10 a month. This includes, but is not limited to, our most popular courses, like our U.S. Constitution course and our Sheriff and the Citizen course. You will also have access to your state's Constitution course when it becomes available. Other perks include 10% off of all physical products on our store for the lifetime of your membership, access to our incentive program where you earn points while you study. You can turn in these points to earn prizes like gift cards, t-shirts, and more. You also have access to our host and instructor materials that you can download and use to start teaching our courses in your own community. New additional member perks are added every single month to the member area. Not only that, when you become an Institute on the Constitution member, all new members will receive our new American View keepsake. This high-quality metal charm is symbolic of the American view of law and government and is a perfect daily reminder of our mission to restore the Republic. Thank you so much for joining the Institute on the Constitution team. Click the link to sign up and become a member today.